I'm back with a new video, that is how to make a fidget spinner. This is my younger brother Avish.
Hi guys.
So materials required: kg cardboard, scissors, 1 rupee coin or a pawn, foam sheet, a wooden stick and a pencil. So let's get started. First take this pawn and draw a circle like this and draw it like this. So guys, I have drawn a fidget spinner shape on a cardboard, so let's cut it. 5 fidget spinner shapes, 4 circles, 2 foam circles. So let's get started. First take this pencil and make a hole in the center. Make these holes to all. Take the glue and stick it. Last one. Fidget spinner shapes together. Then make even these 2 circles also hole in the center. And stick this both. I have stuck these 2 circles and these 2 circles together. Take this wooden stick, put it inside this hole. It's too much, I'll cut little. Make it this much small. Then take this 1 circle and put it in little, this much. Then stick. I have stick the circle to the foam sheet, guys. It looks like this. Put it into the fidget spinner. Put this another circle. Then stick this another foam sheet. Let it dry. So guys, it's ready, so let's test it. Yeah. Thank you for watching my video and please subscribe.
Share and comment guys.